Hello guys, today I'm going to be breaking down and showing you exactly how to get a six-pack abs, and I will walk you step by step through full ab workout. So if you're ready to get those abs, then keep on watching this video up to the very end. Your abs are like any other muscle group. If you want to build them, you have to train them. And your muscles should be overloaded and stimulated to grow. But on the other hand, keep in mind that less is more as far as abs are concerned, because they can be easily overtrained and then can lead to diastasis, which is when our muscles separate from each other, and that can be very dangerous. Our front core includes a lot of smaller muscles, and one of them are rectus abdominis, or our six-pack abs. And we hit six-pack when we are doing motions where we are bringing chest towards our hips or our hips towards our chest, so in that crunch motion. And these are, for example, crunches or hip lifts, so any type of crunch variation.
Keep your legs straight and together. Take a breath and slowly lower legs back down while inhaling, and then lift them all the way up to the ceiling. Don't allow your spine to arch, and don't let your legs drop all the way to the floor, because by shortening the amount that you allow your legs to travel back down towards the starting position, you can make this even harder. So try to stop downward momentum. Reverse that with another strong contraction of your abs to get them right back up again to the top. Slightly bend your knees and take a breath. Roll forward towards your toes while exhaling, and then inhale and reverse back into position. So imagine like you're going to touch your toes with your fingers and then come back down. And when doing any type of crunch, exhale as you crunch up, roll your spine up and squeeze those abs. Then inhale as you come back down to the starting position.
Next we have obliques, and we hit obliques when we twist our torso, so side to side movements, and these are, for example, side planks, Russian twists, or mountain climbers.
Place your elbow underneath your shoulder and keep body in straight line. Inhale at the start and drop your hips down towards the ground while exhaling, and then lift them back up into side plank. You can hold your other hand either on the floor or on your hips if you want to make it harder. Elevate the body into a V position. Keep your hands together and twist torso from side to side. Inhale at the starting position and breathe out when you twist.
Third core muscles, and maybe the most important, are transversus abdominis, which are deep core muscles that support your spine. They help with the breathing process by assisting in exhalation and compressing the internal organs. They act as a stabilizer for the entire lower back and core muscles, and we activate them doing vacuums, diaphragmatic breathing, bird dog, and abdominal hollowing.
So get on all fours, take a big breath, and while exhaling, focus on sucking your belly button into your spine and engaging and holding those deep core muscles. Exhaling has to last for about 10 seconds because you have to exhale all of your air. So practice engaging your core by feeling your ribcage expand while you inhale, and as you exhale, contract your abs. Take a big breath, fill your lungs with air to activate your diaphragm, and while exhaling, either through mouth or nose, slowly raise your arms towards the ceiling and engage your core like someone is going to punch you in the stomach. An engaged core is when all your ab muscles are braced together, so your abs and back muscles work together to stabilize your torso. Also, make sure you don't raise your shoulder blades while inhaling, but feel your lower ribs expand when you take a breath and then close when exhaling.
Our core not only gets activated during these isolation exercises, but also when doing big compound movements like a deadlift or squat. So don't underestimate the value of your big compound lifts when you're also wanting to build up the strength in your core muscles, because our core is super switched on and engaged to protect our spine and to make sure everything is locked on tight when we are lifting weights. I know you're all looking for aesthetically pleasing looking abs, but the strong core is one of the keys in the prevention of back pain. And if you want to perform better in the gym, you need to have better functionality, and a strong core will help you improve your performance. And also, having a strong core is fundamental to perform any other body part, because we need to be strong and stable in our core so we can get the most out of any movement. How to get your abs to show and pop up? So the secret to abs is not doing 1,000 crunches, because the truth is that abs are mostly made in the kitchen. So simply you cannot out-exercise a bad diet. What you eat is more important than how much you exercise to see defined abs, because doing crunches doesn't necessarily help you get abs. Ab exercises strengthen your muscles, yes, but the exercises themselves are not burning ab fat, because you cannot spot reduce fat. So you cannot choose where your body loses fat from by targeting it with specific exercise. So if you're training hard and consistent without seeing any results, you may need to reevaluate your diet. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and watch this video over here to find out 4 reasons why you don't see your abs despite working out or being lean. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!